how to check product key on Windows. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you also like to change your product key on your Windows, here's what you need to do. So first thing first, just open up your settings from your device by simply heading over to search bar just like this. Or you can also just quickly search in for the product key section. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'll simply search in for product key. As you can see, the option appears, which is the system settings as I mentioned earlier. So I'll simply open my product key option over here, and I can just click on this search bar and simply search in for activation settings and simply open the activation settings. As you can see now, it will take me to this interface where I can easily change my product key if it is expired, or if your Windows is corrupted or crashed for some reason. You can just tap on this change product key button over here too and successfully enter the 16-digit character just like this. And once you enter your 16-digit character just like this, you can just click on next, make sure it's correct, and you can easily change your product key just like that. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.